I set the RSV4's pit speed limiter as I pull out of the garage. For no other reason than because I can. It's the Tuesday after this year's Red Bull Grand Prix of the Americas and hot pit is empty, hold for the cleanup crew tasked with repacking MotoGP team crates. They don't seem to mind if I abide by the speed limit, but I do it anyways. Because Aprilia made it so that I can. The bike sputters as I turn the throttle to the stop, then settles in at a steady 37 miles per hour. Pit exit passes. I tap the pit button again, and the bike lets out the most glorious of yelps from its exhaust. We're off. CoTA, almost entirely to myself. 2 days after GP. On what's become one of the best sport bikes of the past decade. I should say bikes, as technically we're here to test both the RSV4 RR and RSV4 RF. The first of those two bikes is considered the base model RSV4. It gets the same electronics package as the RF, but swaps all-in suspension for sax pieces, and 5-spoke forged aluminum wheels for more budget-conscious 3-spoke cast aluminum hoops. Aprilia says that both models are, on average, 1 second faster around the racetrack. This thanks to an updated engine, electronic ride array package, brakes, and suspension. I'll say now that I didn't test this,